Kashenyi-Mitooma-Kashenshero stretches for 11 kilometers, and residents say the bad state of the road hinders transportation of produce, especially during the rainy season. Enos Charisima, the chairperson of the NRM Chekundire Association in Mitooma District, tagged General Kahinda Otafiire's trouncing in the February 18th vote inability to deliver on key services, including the road. This prompted the combative bushwar fighter to shoot back, accusing the association of not doing enough to secure his victory. In his speech, President Museveni reiterated government's impetus to improve infrastructure, especially road networks across the country, stressing that the road in question is under consideration. Attempts by Honorable Jovia Kamateka to speak backfired after the noisy crowd resisted, saying she supported Otafiire's nemesis and current Ruhinda County MP, Honorable Captain Donozio Kahonda. Mitooma District was recently divided into two constituencies, Ruhinda North and Ruhinda Central.